Alright, friends, in our previous lesson we learned how to use common modes. Right now we are learning how to check if a file exists or not. So let's do it. For doing this, we need to import a module. What's my module? Is os module. So I want to check this example.txt exists or not. So for doing this, I open my if block and then os.path.exists. I use this. So I'm in the same directory. So that's why I will not use any slash. So what's the name? example.txt. So if it is in that path, if it exists, what I will do, I will print some messages, which can be the file exists. And I write my else block if this file doesn't exist. So I can write to the screen, the file does not exist. It's my message. So I right click and run it. You see the file exists. If I put one more E here, I run it, you see the file doesn't exist. So we check whether the file exists or not with this method. See you in the next lesson.